Hey guys, so we're going to do an unboxing. Hey guys, Sharky Girl here, and today we're doing an unboxing video outside with my dad.
Woo! So check it out. We were both watching TV today, and we saw this commercial come up. Show him, Kenzie. Ta-da! This guy. The commercial looks so awesome. We looked at each other and we were like, take our money!
I just dropped the box. So then I was like that, and then so we went to Amazon, and these wheels are so squishy, so it's steering table safe. The commercial said it's as light as a feather. Like, what's as light as a feather?
Right? I know.
It said it's face safe, steering table safe, piano safe. I don't know.
And we were looking at Amazon, and Amazon was sold out, so went online, and then it came up on Target.
And then
they had two by us, so then when we clicked on it, we also saw this guy. Look at this.
What's better than the shark?
It's a shark monster jam.
Oh yeah.
So we looked at each other once again and we're like, this is awesome!
And it literally has foam meals. How do you make, like, foam meals?
Yeah.
And there's a secret that we will not show you until the end of this video.
Wait, you're not gonna say it?
No.
All right. So now we are. We'll unbox these up.
You're a devil.
Yeah, we'll unbox these up, and looks like we have to charge them.
Yep.
And we'll have to come back, and once they're charged up, and play with them, and let you guys know how it is.
So start unboxing.
Let's do it.
All right. So let's start unboxing already.
Let's do it. Ready, Kenzie?
Yeah.
Let's see what we got in
It's
here.
the race. What?
I need the shark teeth over
It's
here.
a race. It's a race.
Ta-da!
No, you have to get...
Look at this guy. Look. It's like nothing in here.
I call using the scissors first. Really? Let me use these scissors first. Come on.
I had him first.
Okay.
All right. I won.
My turn.
We said who was gonna do it first, and I won.
You set the controller.
No!
I'm not sharing it. How do you
Sharky
cut?
is
Where do I need a cut?
What?
Where do I need a cut?
Let's see. Well. That's what you need. You don't need to cut anything. Boom.
Just one.
Boom.
Wait, no, my controller.
Wait, I think that one. Let's see.
Where are
No,
these?
look in the back. You don't need to cut it.
Yeah. I see it.
Oh, I can still win, guys. I can still win.
It's a race.
Woo! Got it.
Yours is easy.
Got it. Wait, it's right there. All right, let's see. Instructions. It says assembly instructions.
I could have ripped that off with my tooth.
Jeez, you're not supposed to eat the cardboard, you know. You're supposed to. Oh boy. This girl. So I think this guy just. Oh yep, it just clips on like this.
What?
Dude, don't eat the cardboard. People are gonna think we don't feed you.
I'm a wild boy. Wait, not boy.
Yeah, you're a wild girl. All right, well, since you're eating cardboard, I'm gonna win. It looks like. Yep, this thing just clips on somehow. Right. I guess it would help if I read the instructions. Huh? All right, read the instructions, I guess. Let's see what it says. Oh, that's Sharky one. That's not mine.
Yeah, Dundo.
Let's see. Assembly.
Hey, can you help me?
Instructions. Yeah, you just clip it on.
No, help me.
what?
Can you help me?
Yeah, just twist them.
Really?
Yeah, you just go like that. See? There you go. Boom. Boom. Oh, you know what?
Thanks
I
for
think I was
helping
doing
me
it
win.
backwards.
Hey, thanks for helping me win.
I guess she wins. I guess she wins after all. Okay, so this is the front. Maybe I was doing it wrong. Are you still eating cardboard?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I had it wrong, that's why. Boom, it just clips in like that. Now we gotta charge it, it says. So, Kenzie, let's charge it up and we can come back and show you guys how to do this. While she eats cardboard.
Okay, guys, so the church, I'm right here, and I'm gonna go, my dad's working over there, so I'm gonna go get him. So let's quietly.
Dude, where's mine? Dude, where's my car? Oh yeah?
I knew shark phobia. Wait, let's have a. Wait, let me crash.
Alright,
Wait,
well, let's do a race.
no, let's have a battle. 3, 2,
3, 2, 1.
Oh! Hang on, Emmy, come here. Yeah, that shark is crazy. The shark got me, she said. Whoa, he's gonna get me. Ow! At least it actually does not hurt. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, hang on.
Kenzie, watch this. I'm gonna ramp this. Ready?
Wait, let me try.
You need to learn how to steer.
No.
No?
Whoa.
Whoa! Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna leave. Let's see if we can drive.
Okay.
That thing is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you guys suck.
Yeah. Oh, now Avery's gonna
Well,
try
let's
it.
see it in a little bit. Go.
Go get Otto. Go get Otto. I think you really know how to drive that. Watch the car come.
Can you get it by Otto, Kenzie? Where'd it go? Kenzie, where are you? There it is. Oh, going by Otto. Get it, Otto, get it. Come on, Otto. Get it, boy, get it. Oh. I could totally see him like wanting to chase after it. Get it, Otto. Oh goodness, this girl. Oh, almost hit the house, huh?
What about Emmy?
Whoa, it went through. Oh, and just missed Avery. Oh, try again. No. That would really stink if it got stuck in there.
Hey.
Hey, where's your
You're gonna go
shoe, Emmy?
under?
Do you dare me, Daddy?
What?
Oh.
What are you doing?
To go under?
Go ahead. Let's see.
Then she just
Spin.
whacked the wheel.
I see it. Oh no. I got it. I died. You're gonna die. I died.
Daddy's?
Daddy's
Yeah,
car?
you know, it is Emmy's turn now, Avery.
Wait, it's Emmy's turn.
Well, the shark one is Kenzie's, Emery. And the red one is Daddy's. And yours. It could be yours, too. Yeah, the blue one. That one's Kenzie's.
Here, Emmy. Watch out!
It's going backwards. All right, Emmy, your turn. Go, go. Are you making it move? Good job. Oh, now you got Avery.
What? How you do that?
Wow. Gosh, geez. Okay, you want up? I'll save you. I'll save you. Spinning in circles.
Again?
Oh gosh.
Is the shark gonna get you? Hit me. Starting now. 1, 2.
Cheater, cheater, pumpkin eater.
But you gotta
Good job, Emmy. She's still going at it.
Yeah. 10 seconds. Starting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fail.
After some practice, Kenz, I think you'll be able to do it.
Miss.
All right, Emmy, how you doing over here with yours? You're doing good? Yeah. Make it go fast. Oh, it just ran over your toes again. Well, it's a good thing you know that it doesn't hurt when it runs into things. Oh, oh.
Almost.
Okay, guys, so we're out by the board. It's been kind of raining the past few days, so it's a different day. And now we're finally gonna take it in the pool for a drive. I'm super excited. I have not tried it yet, so let's do it. It's actually close.
I think that's more of a
Look it.
floater than. You're supposed to sink down.
Backwards.
It's moonwalking.
Hey, do you want to try it?
Oh, you want to?
Yeah. Okay.
Camera, focus. Okay, there.
Wait, I don't want it to go that way. I want it to go the other way. Oh no, this way.
It's kind of hard to make it go in the straight line.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way,
all the way to the end of the pool.
by the way,
Oh yeah.
he has a YouTube channel too.
Yeah, it's my
So-
dad's YouTube channel.
So
but
make sure to check out his YouTube channel. Wait, what's your YouTube channel called again?
my dad's is WHF. That's the only one that I'm allowed to do. But I'm gonna start my new YouTube channel. It's called Cam's Adventures. So I'm gonna upload that. I'm gonna start uploading videos eventually. I hope that soon. But
Yep,
look,
so-
I made it to the very end.
Woo! Okay, reef back.
Okay, I'm still trying to do it backwards.
He's going. By the way, we have this thing in the pool. That's what this blue cord is. It kind of looks like a snake. You're gonna bump into the wall.
I'm not. I'm the guy of the expert.
By the way, this is his little brother. Say hi, Grayson. Hi. Okay, that'll try to be right.
I'm trying to go all the way back.
So guys, I think
60.
we have to end the video right here.
Yeah.
So
Make sure to like and subscribe.
so let's go over to where we got in the video, get this thing out of the pool. Then let's go.
So that was super fun. So we're gonna go inside, and I guess that's the end of the video. So I hope you liked it. And let's say remote control that one. Now, let's say goodbye.